I'm going to introduce the topic with the concept of layers. As you know, everything's been drawn all on the one layer at the moment. So if I come up here and I open up a new layer, I'm going to just move everything to layer 1. I'm going to just rename that. Rename it to cheek plate. That, of course, is another cheek plate. Move that across. And I'll move the rest across later. Let's make a second layer here. We'll call that one the spacer. And let's just move that spacer across to the spacer. That's a spacer. Let's just start transferring stuff across. That clearly is not part of a spacer. So we'll just deselect that. We'll select that. We'll select that. We'll select that. We'll select all of that. That is a spacer, as well as that. So that I now move it over to the spacer layer. Stuff that's disappearing here is not getting deleted, it's just being transferred to an invisible layer. If I show it, there it is back again, but I'm going to hide it so I know what stage I'm at. Here, that is a taper pin, which doesn't have a thick line down the middle of it. So we might actually extend that center mark down a bit. All the paper pin, and it's there, and I'm just going to transfer it across. Default, hide that one, okay, default shiny. Next thing is the nut. So make a label the nut. We'll select the nut and transfer that to nut layer. There it goes, there. Oh, okay, so that's one. Select that, okay, transfer top nut. Select that and move that to the bearer layer. Let's go inside every nut. Okay, next thing is the block. Move across the block. Block should definitely move over. And for hook, so on. It's the hook. Move up to the hook there. And you should get there. Add your check note with a center mark. Add a check note with a center mark. So let's move that across to the check note layer. And check that actually shows, yeah. Okay, right, good shiny. So now what I need. Those nuts there. With the saw blocks, move them into the saw block. Right, good show. There you go, so these nuts will go in place. Shiny. So here is the sheave, so it's annual sheave. Sheave pin is all of that, so there's maybe one for a sheave pin. And all of that is going to the sheave pin. Move that to the sheave pin. And left eye, okay, just delete. Now if I show only, there should be absolutely nothing left. Excellent. But then when I show everything, layers, show all, there's everything back again. And you can just turn them on and off at random by just hiding what you don't want. There goes the swivel block, there goes the sheave pin, and so on and so forth. That's what's involved with layers.